Hi friends, I'm Rakesh Mohan, your memory mentor and speed maths coach. Welcome back for the video series. Today I am coming with an exciting video for you, a technique of speed calculations. Okay, and as I promised, you'll be learning a lot of speed calculation techniques. One day, one technique. So today, this is only 10 minutes of video, but to learn a technique, it takes you only 1 minute. So what's today's special? Today's special, I'm going to teach you how to find squares of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers up to 999 in your head. No paper, no pen, no calculator, no mobile phone. Fine? Are you interested? Are you ready? Usually, if you follow the school method, finding the squares of 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers, it takes a lot of time. Fine? So here, I'm going to not give you any shortcut tricks, no shortcut methods, but direct method. Just by seeing or listening to the number, you can tell the squares of 2 or 3-digit numbers in 2 to 5 seconds. Are you interested? Okay, let's start. But first you have to understand how the number behaves in different situations. Okay, when 1 comes, what happens to squares? When 2 comes, what happens to squares? When 5 comes, when 0 comes, when odd number comes, when even number comes. Just you have to observe, that's all. If you have very good in observation, then you can do any calculations very quickly, mentally, with no mistakes, no silly mistakes. Fine? Let's start. I'll start with simple examples, then we'll go step by step. We'll take case 1, case 2, case 3, like this. When you say case 1, there's one method. Case 2 is another method. Okay, let us start with first case. Case 1. To find squares are 2-digit numbers ending with 1s. Like 11 square, 21 square, 31 square, 41 square, all numbers ending with 1s. Okay, let's start. For example, 11 square or 21 square. You want to find a square of 11 square. So what to do? This is case 1. Start with right. What is 1 square? 1 square is 1. So put 1 as it is. Next step. Just multiply this 1 with the square. 1 2s are 2. That's all. Now come to the left side number. What's the left side number? Left side number is 1. And square that number. 1 square. Don't add the number. Square. 1 square. 1 square is 1. The answer is 121. That's all. Let's come to here. Another example. What is 1 square? 1 1s are 1. Multiply 2 with 2. 2 2s are 4. And square this number. Don't add the number. Square it. 2 2s are 4. 441. That's all. Let's see another example, 31 square. Now we can do this easily in 2 seconds. 1 square is 1, 3 2s are 6, 3 square is 9. If you want 41 square, 1 square is 1, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So easy. This is how number behaves if it ends with 1. Fine? I'll show you even one more trick, one more easy method, much better than once. Okay, case 2. What happens to finding the squares of numbers if it ends with 5? Okay. If it ends with 5. Case 2. Square, 25 square, 35 square. So 45 square to 95 square, you have to do it. Divide this into 2 groups similarly. Which number comes after 1? Or what is the consecutive number for 1? It is 2. Just multiply 1 with the consecutive number. 1 2s are 2. So the answer starts with 2. 5 5s are 25. So this is the magic. So 15 square is 225. Consecutive number for 2 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 5 5s are 25. That's all. 3 4s are 12. What is 5 square? 25. So we got height. This is how the number behaves if it ends with 5. So 5 is saying, if I come in the end, this is the method you have to follow. Fine? Let's take case 3. For numbers which are near to base, 50 is the base, 100 is the base. For numbers below 50 or after 50, what happens to the numbers? Okay, let's take example 51 square. or 52 square or 53 square. For 51, 52, 53, 50 is the base. So you have to ask yourself, if how many numbers have to add to 50 to get 51? That is 50 plus 1. How many numbers have to add to 50 to make it 52? Plus 2. How many numbers have to add to 50 to make it 3? 53. Am I right? So what you have to do here is just for this 51 you add half of it, 25. For example, what's the left side number? 5. Square it. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, because it's a plus 1, I'm adding it. 51 plus 25 is 26. And square the right side number. 1 square is 1, make it 0 1. That's all. 52 plus 25 is 27. What is 2 square? 0 4. 53 plus 25 is 28. 3 is 9. Your 54 square. 54 plus 25. 54 plus 25 is 29. 4 square is 16. That's all. You have to add if the number is above 50. What will you do if the number is below 50? You have to subtract. That's all. Let's try. Try for other numbers. From 55 to 59. Or 61, 62, 63. Add the numbers. If it is 61, 61 plus 25. If it is 63, 63 plus 25. That's all you have to do. If the number is below 50. 49 square, 48 square, 47 square, 46 square. Now this number is below 50. What you have to do? You have to subtract. How many numbers? Minus 25. Previously plus 25, you minus 25. 49 minus 25 is how much? 24. 9 nines is how much? No, you should not do 9 nines. See the difference between 49 and 50. The difference is 1. Difference is 1. You have to square that number. 0 1. Got it? 48 minus 25 is 23. The difference is 2. 2 2s are 4. 0 4. 47 minus 23. 47 minus 23. You can do it. 47 minus 25. 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 22. 7 7s are 49. 46 you want? 46 minus 25. 1 is 21. 2 1. The difference is 4 4s are 16. Here we made a small change. Difference is 3 0 9. So don't get confused. That's all you have to do. Okay, this is another case. So what will you do for other numbers? For example, if the numbers are near to 100, if the numbers are below 100 or above 100, what to do? Just read. Numbers below 100, above 100. If it is below 100, you have to subtract. If it is above 100, you have to add. If it is below 100, subtract. If it is above 100, you have to add. That's all. Let's try. 99 square, 98 square, 97 square, 96 square. Okay. See the difference. 99 to 100, how many numbers? 1 digit. 98 to 100, how many difference? 2. 97 to 100, how much the difference? 3. 96 to 100, what's the difference? 4. If you take the difference, 99 minus 1 is 98. 98 minus 2 is 96. 97 minus 3 is 94. 96 minus 4 is 92. I put the first half of the answers. But to complete the answers, what's the difference here? Difference is 1, difference is 2 here, difference is 3 here, difference is 4. You have to find the squares of these numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Sorry, 4 square. 1 square is 1, so 0 1 here. 2 square is 4, put 0 4 here. 3 square is 9, put 0 9 here. 4 4s are 16, it's a 2-digit number, put 16 as it is. That's all. Now 95 square I taught you how to do. 9 10s are 90, 5 5s are 25. The numbers ending with 5. You can do very quickly. So this is how if I find the squares, two-digit numbers very quickly. You should be quick-witted, sharp. If the numbers end with 1, what to do? If the numbers end with 5, what to do? If the numbers are near to 100, what to do? Now we started with numbers below hundreds. What to do for numbers above hundreds? Whether you subtract or add. You subtract or add. You have to add. 101 square, 102 square, 103 square, 104 square, 105 square. 101 is plus 1 or 1 more than the 100. So I have to add the numbers. Just add 101 plus 1. So 101 plus 1 is 102. 102 plus 2 is 104. 103 plus 3 is 106. 104 plus 4 is 108. 105 plus 5 is 110. You got half the answer. What to do with next step? 1 square. Difference is 1. So square this number. 1 square is 1, 0, 1. 2 square is 4, 0, 4. 3 square is 9, 0, 9. 4 square is 16. Put as it is. 5 square is 25. That's all. Tell me, is it easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Very, very, very easy if you follow this method. See, this is not, I have not invented these techniques. You should just understand how the number behaves in different situations. If the number ends with 5s or odd numbers, if the numbers are even, if the numbers ends with 0, if the numbers are near to base, what happens? If you go to 3-digit numbers, okay, let's try with 3-digit numbers, shall we? Are you interested? Fine. See, you have to give food for your brain. You have to give food for your thought. What happens? So write a number. You can 2, 3, 4-digit number. You just experiment with the problem. See how the number behaves in different situations. How it works. You will get your own idea of solving the problem. You have to use your creativity. Fine. Let's start with 3-digit numbers. 101 square, 201 square, 301 square. You have already learned the technique for 101 square. Here the number is 1, here the number is 2, here the number is 3. What is the technique for this? 101 plus 1, 102. 1 square is 1, it is 0, 1. What do we do for this? Just, the number is 2 here, double the number first. Double the number first. The number is 3, triple the number. The number is 4, quadruple the number. That's all you have to do. First double the number. 201. If you double it, what will you get? 402. Then you got 402. You got it? Now you have to follow this method. What's the last number here? 2. 402 plus 2 is how much? 404. What is 1 square? 0. That's all. Shall we try? See, 40201. But 40401, what will you do? 401 double is 402 plus 2. 402 plus 4, 402, 4041. Now, let's try for numbers which are near 1000. For example, 999 square, 998 square, 997 square, or 1001 square, 1002 square, 1003 square. These are numbers near to 1000, below 1000, above 1000. If it is below 1000, subtract. If it is above 1000, add the numbers. 999 to 1000, difference is 1. So subtract. 999 minus 1 is 998. Half the answer we got. The difference 1. What is 1 square? Should not put 1 because there are 3 9s are here. You have to put 2 zeros. 0, 0, 1. That's all. 998, 1000 difference is 2. Subtract 998 minus 2. You get 996. Difference is 2. Square the number. 2 square is 4. It's not 4. It is 0, 0, 4. 997 minus 3 is 994. 3 square is 9. 0, 0, 9. That's all. 1001 is plus 1. 1000 plus 1 is 1. You have to add the numbers here. 1001 plus 1 is 1002. And 1 square is 1. 0, 0, 1. That's all. 1002 plus 2 is 1004. And 2 square is 0, 4. 0, 0, 4. Fine. And last one, 1006. 3 square is 9. That's all. Try, find the problems, write the problems by yourself from 00 to 999. Find out, see can you calculate 2-digit squares in your mind less than 5 seconds. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and come across more and more techniques like this. I'm going to teach you 100 techniques of speed calculation in the next 100 days. Thank you very much.